Hey everyone, my name is Tanner Hilton and I'm a sales engineer for Innovative-IDM. This is a little unorthodox. I'm coming to you from my apartment here in Oklahoma City as a result of recent events. Now, this is meant as an introduction and an offer to help you and your team out. Innovative-IDM spans several states and is headquartered out of Louisville, Texas. I'm the manager for the region in and around Oklahoma City that now expands into Kansas and Texas. I'm a degreed engineer from Texas A&M and function as a primary point of contact for purchasing, engineering, maintenance, and general management in the companies that I help out around here. There are several ways that we can help companies here at Innovative. First is through distribution. Innovative-IDM is strategically partnered with some of the top brands in automation and controls, like Yaskawa, Omron, and Parker. I'm personally a certified drive specialist with Yaskawa and a graduate of the Parker Catch School, where I learned the basics of electromechanical and motion control. If you have needs to source parts like this, or cross parts over from other brands, or if you need help with technical specifications on your machines, there's a good chance I can be of great help to you here. Second, we help people with our board-level electronic repair facility in Houston. This group is excellent at fixing things like touchscreens, variable frequency drives, PLCs, and much more. We offer free quotes on repairs, and our repairs come with a 1-year warranty backed by us. Now, the next way I help my customers out is with our contract manufacturing and UL 508A certified panel shop. You can provide our team with a drawing to build to or ask us to design and build a panel from scratch to meet your needs. Our team's builds are very high quality and rigorously quality inspected and controlled. Another way I help is through our field service departments. Here at Innovative-IDM, we have a team of very capable field application technicians and engineers capable of servicing machines and providing work on plant floors. We're very good at things like DC-AC retrofits, emergency breakdown service, and more. We've conducted work all over the nation. Finally, I typically can help certain customers through our system integration services. Now, our expert integrators and engineers are very familiar with drive and motion control integration, PLC programming, and more. This can also include things like safety consultations and risk assessments. I try to make a video once a week demoing a piece of hardware like what you see around me. If any of this is close to something that you may have a need for, please reach out. I'll look forward to meeting over a quick phone call or a web meeting, and maybe one day a site tour if it's appropriate and if times change. If you have any questions, shoot me an email here. I'll put it on the screen, or also please visit our website at InnovativeIDM.com. Until next time, I'm Tanner Hilton for Innovative-IDM in Oklahoma City. Thanks for your time.